Alright guys, so we made it to the spot. Second night of the first day of mini season. We're gonna try to catch our limit today. It looks like we're gonna have a nicer outing. Supposedly we have a Sahara dust storm today. I don't know what that means, but yesterday we had hurricanes. Today we have a dust storm. Alright, we're doing a little better.
Good job, Mom. You didn't
Good
miss
job,
this time.
good job.
guys, we are back in the truck and it is 1 a.m. It was a great night. We caught 20 lobsters and they definitely gave us a run for our money today. It was interesting. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, which was even more interesting, definitely check that out. But it was fun. It was great. Overall, it was a great night. So, Junior, good?
Yeah, I mean, we're extremely tired. It's 1 a.m. so we're ready to get back home. But thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you can catch us on the next video. Take care, guys.
Bye.
Good night.
Alright. Not that bad.
I thought you were
saying good night.
I thought you were gonna talk.
Good job, man.
And then Junior was gonna do the rest, pero te lo comiste todo. Yeah. You have a hard time getting started, pero después hay que terminar.
I'm gonna put that in the bloopers.